Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial lesson of EXModel Pro. So here we're going to learn another pattern form which name is line pattern. So you can see so here is my mesh and I have already created some solids. And I like one of these module here, so what I'm going to do is to using the line pattern. So first of all, let me unsync the mesh first. I can select this part here and use line pattern. And first of all, we need to choosing an axis for the direction. So normally it's for y-axis direction because we can see it is already aligned on the coordinate system, and we can see the spacing and the distance. So according to the original mesh data, totally we got 2 of these modules. So you can using the instances for 2, but if we increase the instances, we can get more. Right? It's very easy to be understood. And the spacing means the range between these two. So if we give it a 30, spacing. First of all, we need to flip direction because on the left side there is no actual position according to the mesh model. So we need to flip the direction according to the y-axis. Alright, so let me see what's the proper distance between these two. It's around 45. Right here. Okay, this is a match. So that's very easy for some guys. If you guys have already know these two are on the same line, so it is very convenient to using the liner pattern to easily create the similar information, the module information, just by liner pattern listed, and you can manually enter the space, and you can change the instances. In case you got more than 2 or 3, if you got a dozen, you can also change this to a dozen. So you can see, and I can always using other menus. You can also like using the axis to like using another direction to using the line pattern is all available. So after we think the pattern is pretty good enough, the result is satisfied, you can click OK here. So that's what we got. Yeah, it's pretty easy and simple. Thank you.